So exercise 3.2 has some new topics. First topic, if somebody asks you what are prime numbers, so how will you answer those people? Prime numbers. Numbers having only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself are known as prime numbers. It means कोई भी number, but the number should be greater than 2. We will always start with 2. So numbers having only two numbers as a factor, so those numbers are known as prime numbers, and those two factors are fixed. The first factor is 1 and the next factor is the number itself. Suppose if I talk about 7, I want to find out the factors of 7, so we will start 1, 2, factor is 7 is not divisible by 2, 7 is not divisible by 3, not by 4, not by 5, not by 6, then here it comes 7. So we will not move further for 8, it's a rule. Next 11. 11 is also 1, 2, 3, no, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, no. 11. 13, 1 and 13. 17, 1 and 17. 19, 1 and 19. So here you all can see that there are only two factors, 1 and the number itself. So all these numbers are prime numbers. The most important thing, 1, it is one number is neither a prime number nor a composite number. 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number, but 1 is the factor of every number, each number, all the numbers. 1 prime number nahi hai. 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number, but 1 is not a prime number, neither it is a prime number nor it is a composite number. We will discuss about composite numbers now. And 2 is the only even prime number. If somebody asks you what is 2, is it a prime number or composite number, you will say 2 is a even prime number. That is it. These two things you have to remember. Let's move to composite numbers. Next, composite number. A number which has more than two factors is called a composite number. Means any number if it has more than two factors. If a number having two factors, that is 1 and the number itself, it is known as prime number. And if a number is having more than two factors, those numbers are known as composite numbers. Let's start with 2. So let's start with 4. So we will check how many factors does it have. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it has more than two factors, so 4 is a composite number. Let's check for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is also a composite number. 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 24 is a composite number. So 4, 6 and 24. And there are so many other numbers having more than two factors. So all those numbers are known as composite numbers. Next topic is twin prime. So what are twin primes? If the difference between two consecutive prime numbers is 2, then those two prime numbers are twin primes. Like अगर कोई भी दो prime numbers हम लेते हैं and the difference between those two prime numbers are difference is 2, so those two prime numbers are twin primes. Like 3 and 5, 3, 4, 5. 3 and 5 are consecutive number. There is only one number in between, that is 4. 11 and 13, so 11, 12, 13. Again there is only one number in between, so 11 and 13 they are consecutive prime numbers. 17 and 19, so 17, 18, 19. Again there is only one number in between, so these two are consecutive prime numbers. So the difference between these two, 5 minus 3 is 2, 13 minus 11 is 2, 19 minus 7 is 2. So 3 and 5, 11 and 13, 17 and 19, they all are twin primes. Here you all can see 7 is a prime number, 11 is a prime number, but the difference between these two numbers is 4. So here 7 and 11, yes, they both are prime numbers, but they are not twin primes because the difference between these two numbers is not 2. So this was all about twin primes.